How to make a grid in Photoshop. Let's get into it. Head up to File and select New. Give your new document a name. Set the measurements to inches, the width to 10, the height to 10 and the resolution to 300. Keep the background content transparent and select Create. Come up to View and select Rulers. Pull the guidelines into the exact middle of the width and the height of your document. Next, come over to the Line tool, and in the settings, keep the fill as black and set the weight to however thick you want your lines in your grid. Next, holding Shift, drag a line down the first grid that we created, and then drag across the second. Next, come up to Edit, and then come down to Define Pattern. Give your pattern a name, and then choose OK. We then want to come into a new document of any size, select Layer, and then select New Fill Layer Pattern. We then want to click OK, and then click this drop down arrow, and then select the grid that we just created. If you find your grid is too scaled in, you can click Snap to Origin and change the scale of this grid to suit your needs. You may need to play around with the numbers to get it exactly how you want it. Once you're done with that, you can click OK, and that's all there is to it.